Well, hello. No adventure today. Just sneak down to the creek here. We got freezing rain overnight and the roads are passable, but over the summer people forget how to drive on them. So I did make it to the grocery store because I forgot some things yesterday. And actually that trip reminded me how good we have things here in America. We don't have people fighting over the last pound of meat at the store. There aren't lines outside. We have what we need. And for most of us, we don't have trouble getting it. A lot of that is due in part to our veterans. So on this Veterans Day, thank all those of you who served in our armed forces. Well, this morning I cracked a tin of Bengal Slices, the new iteration from Standard Tobacco Company. I believe it's a Rust Roulette blend. The tin note is almost non-existent. And the flavor is relatively mild, but it sure made the truck smell nice. So, not sure about this one yet. Don't know if it's a keeper or not, but we'll keep trying it. That's all I have. Sorry, nothing fun. Could have been some ice fishing, but with the warm temperatures and the rain, I don't want to be out on ice that's only a couple of inches thin to begin with. So you folks have yourself a good week.
Complex to be tamed.